tell me about yourself.
About myself in what way? So I'm Anam, and what I like to do is basically just do something creative and fun,
Something creative, like what?
like designing templates and things. Anything aesthetic and fun. It's all about
Anything
aesthetic.
aesthetic. Define aesthetics.
Something that is really pretty and eye pleasing and that would make me happy. So right now it can be like my nails. It's like really pretty and it makes me happy.
Wow.
I guess girls can relate to it.
If you had a choice to make your own world, what color it would be?
The answer is so obvious. Like people who know me, it's very obvious. It's pink. I would love to have pink, like the entire world in different shade of pink.
Wow.
I don't care what other like haters will say, but I love pink color.
Why?
It's the best color. Why would you not like pink color? Tell me.
Because it's like very, girlish.
No, it's nothing like that. In olden times, it was nothing like that, right? It just the Western culture that girl is like considered with a blue color and guys are considered with, guys with blue and girls with pink.
Okay.
Nothing like that.
आप कहाँ थे ज्ञानी बाबा?
When I was younger, I wanted to be like the different one. I don't want to be like just like other girls thingy.
Okay.
So I used to hate pink. Like I'm telling you, I hated pink.
Just because people used to say that it's a
It's
girlish
about
color.
girlish thing.
Yeah.
So I wanted to be like the different one and everything. But now I love pink. It's my favorite color.
Nice. So yeah, even I like pink. There is nothing like, people should judge each other just because they like some color.
Yes, stay hydrated.
Exactly. Stay hydrated, guys. Thank you so much. And I'm nice to
Yeah,
talk to you.
drink Coke also. It's the best thing. It's my
No,
favorite.
no, only water.
Bye bye.
Yeah.